Hi, I'm Joe Ryan with Precision Digital. Let's take a look at a great application utilizing our PD2-6000 large display process meter. In this application, the PD2 is displaying gallons on the top display and units on the bottom. As the gallons in this tank rise up above 7,000 gallons, our light and horn will turn yellow and we'll hear an audible alarm. I'm going to silence that by pushing the silence push button on the remote control station below. If the gallons in the tank keep rising and we reach 9,000 gallons, the light and horn will turn red, and once again it's going to give me an audible alarm I can silence. Now, as my gallons return to a non-alarm level, you'll see me return to my yellow alarm state and to my green alarm state, letting me know that everything's okay. In addition to my high and my high alarms and the silence push button, we also have a test push button on the control station mounted below the Helios. When I push that button, all of the lights will turn on and the audible alarm will sound to test that that alarm system is working properly. The PD2-6000 and all of the accessories you see connected to it are available from Precision Digital to provide you one complete level solution. Reach out and talk to us if that sounds like something that would be of interest to you. Thanks.